started off real formal. I said, I, Patrick Motley, take you, Kaitlyn Peterson, today as my wife.
So let me just kind of give you guys a little backstory, if you don't mind. When Patrick was kind of hinting around that he was going to take my baby from me, I brought in my father-in-law, Mr. Charles May. I'm like, I think this boy finna ask for my daughter's hand in marriage, and we need to go and interview him. He was right down with it. I took him out, fed him well, and then the interview began. My father-in-law, after we left, he said, Pete, I don't know about that because the way you treated that boy, I think he might just give her back.
We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming.
Love you always, 2523. Wow.
Blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working.
You're so beautiful.
Patrick, I can't believe our forever starts today. Thinking back to how we met, I know this is a God thing. Everything I've ever prayed for in a husband, you are that and more. You're loyal, giving, patient, and encouraging. You love me for me, which makes me love and cherish you even more.
I promise to never stop dating you. I promise to never stop pursuing you. I promise to protect you, not just from danger, but from myself. I promise to choose you in our most difficult times. I promise to lead you in our house in servitude of our God. I promise to love you to my last days.
Blessings on blessings, yeah. I see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I see the blessings coming our way.
As we begin this next chapter, promise to always be there to support you through the good times and the bad. Promise to always be your biggest cheerleader. I promise to honor and love you as my husband today and every day. You are every dream come true, and I can't wait to build a life with you. Stand before opening.
I didn't know. I didn't see this coming. I didn't expect for God to answer my prayers. I didn't expect to leave my hometown. I didn't think I'd live so close to these lights, these events, these opportunities. I didn't know I'd have a partner, a friend, a companion. I didn't expect to meet someone who called the champion out of me. I didn't know that the candle brand you helped me create would be a part of our union. I didn't know that meeting you at the coffee shop would mean our soon meet at the
picture. I forgot about that.
But now I know. And I couldn't be more sure.
I'm so sweet.
Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.
Patrick Motley, do you take Kaitlyn to be your wife?
I do.
Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her?
I do.
For all others and holding only until her forever?
I do.
Kaitlyn Peterson, do you take Patrick Motley to be your husband?
I do.
Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him, forsaking all others and holding only unto him forever?
Yes, sir, I do.
By the power invested in me, I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Patrick and Kaitlyn Motley, husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. At this time, I would like to present to you Patrick and Kaitlyn Motley.
watched her walk hand in hand into a heart-shaped, candle-lit pile of rose petals while she said yes to spending the rest of her life with her dream man. And today, I watched her walk down the aisle to her forever home, Patrick Motley. Patrick swooped in, or should I really say, swiped right, on the best woman. Before Patrick, Kaitlyn was quick to act and slow to love. But despite the cliche, Patrick's love for Kaitlyn has made her slow to act and very quick to love. She is still the strong, independent woman we all know her to be. But for Patrick, she puts the hustle aside and prioritizes his present love.
And I just want to say to you, Patrick, you've been an inspiration to me growing up. You showed me that no matter what you have going on, you have to keep going and elevate. You also shared a lot of funny moments. For example, when you never used to let me play your games growing up, and I would yell your ears off, and Mom would make you share anyway. Although I should carry that legacy on being a bully, I have decided not to. You have always shown me that you care about me, and I appreciate it.
I had just gotten an article on my phone about what young people are doing today. I'm like, Patrick, I read this article. Most young people now are taking a woman's name. I'm like, you know I don't have any sons. How about being a Peterson? He emphatically said, oh no. We're gonna let him stay a Motley, but I guess the first grandson is gonna be Kenneth Peterson Motley.
That being said, I can't wait to watch you walk together. May, for better or for worse, be far better than worse. And may your love be modern enough to survive the times, but old-fashioned enough to last forever.
I wish you both nothing but the best, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Love you, bro, and welcome to the family, Kaitlyn. Congrats.